We are very proud to have the oral surgeon on staff, and also the fact that he does participate with New Jersey Family Care, and especially Horizon NJ Health and United Healthcare Community Plan. And these are the two most common plans in North Jersey. And unfortunately, with this plan, although it's so vast and so widespread, there are not enough providers. So we're one of the offices that does help our patients, we do have the facility and one of the best doctors on staff. And we're happy to help our patients. And again, whenever the insurance switches from it may be United Healthcare or Horizon, or basically one of the New Jersey Family Care plans. If it switches to one of the private plans or local insurance plans or even a discount plans, he is a part of that. So he is able to help our patients at all stages of their lives.